Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning gradient text animation and shine effect in Canva. First, open Canva and head over to the app section. In the search bar, type gradient and select the gradient tool icon. Type your desired text and choose your font. Next, let's apply gradient colors. For the first stop, choose dark gray. In the middle, select gray. And for the final stop, choose dark gray again. Change the direction to horizontal and add it to your design. Increase the size of the text to fit your design needs. Now change the background color to black to make your gradient text pop. Duplicate the text and place the new text exactly over the original one. Click on the duplicate text, go to the gradient setting and change the colors to a gold gradient like we did for gray color before. Update the element to apply the new gradient. Go to the Animate option and choose Wipe. Set the animation direction from left to right, adjust speed and play the animation. Next, go to the elements and search Glow. And I will select this glow flare. Place it to the left side over the text and adjust its size. Align it to follow the path of the text animation. Select the glow element, go to Animate and click on Create an Animation. Drag the light element to the right while holding the Shift button to create a path that slows down as it moves right. Adjust speed to match the wipe animation. Now let's add some motion effects to the glow element. Choose Rotate and adjust speed. Once you're happy, tap Done. Finally, download your animation as an MP4 file, and that's it. You've just created a beautiful gradient text animation in Canva. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.